It's your boy, the Cryptologist, back at you with another video. Today I'm talking about compound interest, and I'm gonna show you how you can turn $1,000 into a little over $2 million in about 5 years with compound interest. Yes, it can be done. And I know you're saying, Cryptologist, are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. We're gonna start with an initial investment of $1,000. We're gonna go with an interest rate about 3% weekly. And yes, you can get 3% weekly in a company, in companies out there. Is one particular company that I love. I absolutely love. I talk about it in one of my YouTube videos. Go to my YouTube channel and check out Novatech FX, and I'll show you how you can get paid weekly on your money. Okay, we're going to put 5 years in here, and we're going to do the compound interval of weekly. And we're going to calculate that and see what it comes up to. You see those numbers? No, that's not $2,000. That's a little over $2 million in 5 years that you can have using compound interest to compound your money and get you in a position that you can be in. Okay, now what I need you guys to do is subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like what you hear.